Happy Mail Queen again. So I did get a chance to play with my new dies and the embellishment set that I had gotten from HSN. And this is again the Anna Griffin window ledge die. And I think this particular set is window ledge die number 2, because they came out with number 1 originally, I think last year, if I'm not mistaken. And it was just the square one. And that's the one in the card kit. But if you wanted to get the one with the Palladian window and the awning, this kind of awning, yeah, you have to buy the dies separately. Or you have to buy this kit, I believe. I could be wrong, but you can check it out on HSN. All right, so I was super excited to play with this, and I did create a card, like I said I was, for my sister. However, our meetup, I was actually supposed to pick her up. The time changed. So anyway, I didn't get to give her the card, which I guess is good because then I can share with you guys. So let me just move this over. Okay, so here's the card. Isn't it pretty? Oh my goodness. I absolutely love it. This card measures 4.5, I believe, by 5.5. Okay, 6.5. Okay, so my base is 4.5 by 6.5. I just used regular 110-pound cardstock in white, and then I just layered this pattern paper, and this pattern paper right here is one of my shabby chic papers that I love using. I haven't used it in a long time, but it's the Floral Pavilion 8x8 inch, and this is the first edition paper by Tanya Whalen. So I, you know, you can see the patterns there. So I used this pattern and also the green damask one, which is this one right here. What else did I use? And then one of the reverse side had the pink polka dots. I think it was this one. Has the pink with white little itty bitty polka dots. And that's what I used for my background right here. I cut again this one's the Palladian window, so it's this one right here, and I cut it using 110-pound cardstock again, like this one. Let me see, did I cut my Scotty dog? I did. Now, just to let you know, the Scotty dog is exactly the same size as the embellishment in the embellishment kit, like these little doggies. The cat, however, is smaller. I don't know why, so it might have been a manufacturing error, but just to keep in, for you to keep in mind. Okay, but anyway, I just used the dog in this one, and then I used the embellishment pack for the flowers, but I also wanted to cut these, what are these? I don't know what these are. Are they topiaries? Maybe? Possibly. Anyway, these little green bushes, I just call them bushes. I wanted to see if how they were going to cut, and it does emboss, if you can see that. And all I did was I just used my Distress Oxide and my Distress ink, and I just used a Twisted Citron, which I think goes pretty well with this, you know, lighter green. Sorry, my stuff is going all over the place. But I kind of mixed it with the pine needles because I wanted it just a little bit darker. Then I realized, no, I didn't want it that green. I wanted it more this green. So I added more of this. But anyway, that's the color I came up with. Okay. And then I put one of the awnings from the embellishment pack. What else did I do? I did cut the curtains, and I think I used this curtain right here, and then I did cut the flower box, so that's why it's very plain. And then I used the sentiment card or banner, And I think that's it for this one. So inside I just, you know, just matted with this green paper, and then the polka dotted one, I was kind of wanting to play with my other dies, and I wanted to see how this one was cutting, so I did use the Sizzix die that I got on clearance at Hobby Lobby, which is the square stitched die. So there's card number 1. I made 3. So there's the Just For You. It was supposed to be Thinking of You, but I don't know. I changed my mind because I think the other banner was too big. Okay, and then I needed to make a couple of birthday cards. I actually need to make one more birthday card. So here's one. This was actually the last one I created. Again, I did use the first edition paper. Here's that polka dotted paper again. This awning is the one they give you in the kit. So I did not cut that out. I cut out the window again, and this time I used the regular window, and then I did open it up. So as you can see here, the shutters are open. Are these shutters? No, they're not shutters, but the window's open, and then I did put some dimensional tape on the bottom just to hold it back. Let's see. I did further score it just to let you know it does score, but it's, you know, not that deep. So this scoring here that it creates, I did score it just a little bit more because my paper was pretty heavy, thick. And what else? I cut the flower box. I used more of the flowers from the embellishment. And then this kitty cat, I did I cut this one? I think I didn't. No, I did. Let me see. Now I can't remember. I think I cut it because their paper is thinner. And their cat looks like that. No. Wait, maybe I have 2 different size cats. Is that it? Huh. No, I don't know. Why does my cat look small now? When earlier I thought it looked pretty big. Oh yeah, this is the bigger cat. Hello. Okay. Sorry. So here you can see the difference. This is the embellishment, and then this is the die. So it is smaller. Okay. Sorry. This is the bigger cat. For some reason it was looking kind of small. All right. So this one says happy birthday. This one is actually going to my sister-in-law, if I remember. Her birthday is far from now, but it's also actually in November. So and she has a cat, so that's why I made that one. And then this one is for a birthday, and someone having a birthday or had a birthday, and I put birthday wishes because one of the things that I created for her already says happy birthday, and so I did birthday wishes this time just to make it different. And this one's my husband's favorite, and what I used is the LOL paper, which only comes from the 8.5 by 11. Now I can't find a paper pad, but I'm pretty sure this particular, like the cityscape one with the gold foiling, only comes from the 8.5 by 11 paper pad. Okay, because I don't know, I wanted this one to be not so shabby, but just a little bit more contemporary. I did cut the awning this time in this cardstock. I think I got this at Michael's. And this here is actually from another paper, which is, I think, a Halloween paper. but I was like trying to kind of match the black and the gold. It's from this paper, Black and Gold Halloween from Michaels. It's Midnight Magic, I think is the collection. And I used, anyway, it's like that damask pattern one, this one. Is that a damask or a flourish pattern? Something like that. Okay, so anyway, that's what I used for the curtains. And then I just backed the backing part, which one did I use for this one? This one. This rectangle shape one. I cut that with black cardstock. Put the little Scotty dog, and these are embellishments. I didn't cut any of this. I only cut the window, this, the awning, and the curtains. And then I don't think I even matted the inside, did I? Oh yeah, I did. There it is. And then I can write my message, and then I'll put my little logo. So there's card number 2, and then, oh wait, is that number 3? Oh yeah, I think that's it. Yep, that's number 3. Okay, so again, 2 shabby and 1 contemporary. And so let me know which one you like, guys. They're just, I love this set. I'm just like so happy that I got it, even though it was expensive, because, you know, they're dies and I'm forever going to be using them. And you could always buy, you know, flowers from other collections. And, you know, like here, I kind of mix match this with another paper line. So, yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. And I hope to see you again. I don't know, a couple of days maybe, because I'm going to be kind of busy. But I'm going to still try to craft as much as I can and do some more organizing. I do have another haul, though. I actually was able to go to Joann's the other day. My husband actually let me go. I went there. I think I was in there for like 20 minutes, paid, and then I was out. So it was like a really fast shopping. But it's because I had to pick up my daughter. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.